Today I'm going to discuss some common uses of a pen tool. What is a pen tool? The pen tool offers several capabilities for many forms of creativity, from outlining an item to making imaginative shapes. Some users think that this tool is only for designers, but it's actually incredibly handy for photo editing, especially for tracing and cutting objects from their backgrounds. Number 1. Cutting an object from its background. Let's open our image. Using your pen tool, with path selected, you can start tracing your image by the click and drag method before placing each point. Click and drag makes it easy to deal with the curve section of your image. Once done, right-click in the center of your path, then choose Make Selection. Then select your rectangular marquee tool. Right-click in the center of your marquee selection and you can either choose Layer via Copy or Layer via Cut, or you can also choose Select and Mask. This time we will just use Layer via Cut. Number 2. To put a text on a path or in a shape. Create a new blank layer. Now we will use the Curvature Pen tool. This type of pen tool is the easiest way to create a perfect wave design. All you have to do is to click and the program will make the wave look continuously smooth. Next, click on your horizontal type tool, and click on the path. Then select your Direct Selection tool, and hover over the text. Once you see the left caret, you can now click Hold, and drag your cursor to the right to expand the text. Number 3. To create your own stroke. Create a new blank layer. Now let us use the Freeform Pen tool, and draw anything you like. Then let's switch to the Brush tool, and choose the brush tip you'd like to use. Next, you may also need to set your foreground color to the color you'd like. Then select your Direct Selection tool to select all points. Right-click on the path and choose Stroke Path. In the Stroke Path window, select Brush in the drop-down field. Then click OK. Now, right-click on the path again, but this time choose Delete Path. Number 4. Creating a vector shape. This style is like tracing some image, like a logo, cartoon, etc. Although it is much easier to do it in Illustrator, some find it easy to use Photoshop. Using the pen tool, but this time instead of path, we will use shape. Start tracing your image. To make it easier, you can reduce the opacity to be able to see the object that you are tracing. Once done, you can set it back to 100%. That's it. My version of showing some common uses of a pen tool. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.